Karnataka registers 378 fresh COVID-19 cases, taking the total tally to 5,213. The death toll due to COVID-19 in the state has risen to 59. Active cases stands at 3,184, out of which 11 people are being treated in ICU. 121 new cases of COVID-19 reported in Udupi. Coastal Karnataka bears the brunt of interstate travel. 785 active cases and 101 discharges, and one COVID-19 death being reported from the district. 300 out of the 378 new cases reported from Karnataka for COVID-19 have a travel history to other states. Over 250 cases have a travel history to Maharashtra. More cases reported in coastal and Kalyan Karnataka region having a Maharashtra link. On the other hand, India reports another highest single-day spike in COVID-19 cases. 9,882 new cases come to light in the last 24 hours. Total number of cases in the country now stands at 2,36,657, including 1,15,942 active cases, 1,14,073 recoveries, and 6,642 deaths. D.K. Shivkumar to take oath as the KPCC President on June 14. D.K. Shivkumar has written a letter to Chief Minister seeking permission for event in light of COVID-19. Social distancing norms will have to be maintained at the event. Chief Minister is yet to take a decision. BJP State President Nalin Kumar Katil calls for core committee meeting. BJP party yet to take a decision on the candidate for Rajya Sabha elections. Umesh Katti is the top contender for the ticket. Umesh Katti met Chief Minister at his residence in Kaveri. Businessman hacked to death by miscreants in Moodubiದ್ರೆ Taluk. 8 bike-borne and car-borne miscreants attacked businessman in broad daylight in front of onlookers. Case registered in this regard.
आप लोगों को दिल्ली में अस्पताल बनवाया था, पैसे कमाने के लिए नहीं बनवाया था आपका अस्पताल। आपका अस्पताल बनवाया था दिल्ली के लोगों की सेवा करने के लिए।
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal warns hospitals denying admission to COVID-19 patients, says those black marketing beds using the influence of their protectors from other parties will not be spared. Well, the band of an Indo-Tibetan border police battalion plays at Civil Hospital in Ludhiana. This is to pay their tribute and their gratitude towards the healthcare workers for their effortless work. Talks between military commanders of India and China in Moldo on the Chinese side of line of actual control concludes. The Indian delegation led by 14 Corps Commander Lieutenant General Harinder Singh. He is currently returning to Leh.